Hello everyone. Today I have taken another example of the transport company and we are going to do this sum on the basis of operating costing. Let us first read the question. Mr. X owns a bus which runs according to the following schedule. From to distance one way, number of trips per month and occupancy. So the bus travels from Delhi to Chandigarh, which is 150 kilometers one way. So two ways, 300 kilometers. 8 times at 90% occupancy. Delhi to Agra, 120 kilometers one way, 10 trips, 85% occupancy. Delhi to Jaipur, 270 kilometers one way, 6 trips, 100% occupancy. Cost. The cost of the bus is 6 lakhs. Obviously, this is the total cost. Our cost will be the depreciation on this. Salary of the driver, again per month. Salary of conductor per month. Salary of accountant per month. Insurance of the bus per month. Diesel consumption 4 kilometers per liter at rupees 6 per liter. Now, if you see, here they have not given us a figure. We'll have to calculate this. For calculating this, now if you see here, they have given 4 kilometers per liter as the mileage. So don't you think I will require the total kilometers the bus is traveling in a month? If I get the total kilometers, I can calculate the diesel cost. So my first working that I need to do is calculation of the total kilometers. Then I have road tax, rupees 1500 per annum. Per annum, we'll have to convert it to per month. Next is lubricants and oil, that is rupees 10 per 100 kilometers. Again, the requirement of the total distance is here. Next is permit fee, rupees 315 per month. Repairs and maintenance, rupees 1000 per month. Depreciation of the bus, 20% per annum. So 20% of what? 20% of 6 lakh. Seating capacity of the bus is 50 passengers. Passenger tax is again our cost, is 20% of the total takings, not of the cost. Of the total takings, it is 20%. Calculate the bus fare to be charged from each passenger to earn a profit of 30% on the total takings. Again, it is on takings. Calculate the fare per passenger for the following journey. That is Delhi to Chandigarh, Delhi to Agra and Delhi to Jaipur. So here I told you that the first calculation, before we start calculating the cost and everything, the first calculation that we need to do is the calculation of total distance. The second calculation that we'll require to do is the passenger kilometers. Let us start the question. Let us start the solution. Working note 1. Calculation of total distance and total passenger kilometers. Okay, so first we have Delhi to Chandigarh. Delhi to Chandigarh. Delhi to Chandigarh, one way is 150 kilometers. 150 kilometers into 2. This would be the total kilometers of the trip. Into 150 into 2 is the total kilometers for one trip. In 1 month, it is having 8 trips. So my total distance would be 150 into 16, that is 2400 kilometers. Coming to the second one, that is Delhi to Agra. How many kilometers? 120 kilometers one way. So into 2 will give me the total kilometers of the round trip. It is making 10 trips in 1 month. So that would be again 2400 kilometers. Third, Delhi to Jaipur. One way 270 kilometers into two sides into 6 trips. So that would be 270 into 12. That is 3240 kilometers. So in a month, the total distance traveled would be 8040 kilometers by the bus. That means in a month, the total distance traveled would be 8040 kilometers. Now let us see the passenger kilometers. This is the calculation of my total distance. Again, passenger kilometers, Delhi to Chandigarh. We have total 2400 kilometers. This 2400 kilometers occupancy is 90% and the seating capacity is 50%. That means 50 into 90%, that is 45 passengers were there for these 2400 kilometers. That means the total passenger kilometers would be 2400 into 45. That is equal to 1,08,000. Second, Delhi to Agra. Delhi to Agra total distance is again 2400 kilometers, and for each of these 2400 kilometers I had 85% of 50 passengers with me on an average. So 2400 into 50 into 85%, that is 1,02,000 passenger kilometers. Third, Delhi to Jaipur. I am traveling for, the bus is traveling for 3240 kilometers, and for each of these 3240 kilometers I have 50 passengers with me. So the total passenger kilometers would be 3240 into 50, that is 1,62,000 passenger kilometers. So the total passenger kilometers are, those who have confusion for the meaning of passenger kilometers, please refer to the first video in the playlist, which is about the explanation of passenger kilometers, explanation of operating costing. 3,72,000 passenger kilometers. This is per month, right? So total passenger kilometers per month. We are calculating everything per month. Total distance per month. Everything is per month. Now we have the initial data. We can start with the cost, calculation, and then we'll calculate the fare. So this would be calculation of total cost and fare. Okay, let's continue. So, which is the first cost given to us? Cost of the bus. Is that a cost for us? No, but the depreciation would be a cost. So depreciation, if you see the depreciation given here is 20% per annum. So 6 lakhs, there is no scrap value, into 20%. This will give us the per annum cost into 1/12, because we are calculating per month. So that would be 6 lakh into 20% into divided by 12. So that would be 10,000 rupees. Next, salary of the driver. Now salary of the driver is given directly, 2,800 per month. We don't have to do anything. It is given to us. Third, salary of the conductor. Salary of conductor. Again, it is 2,200 per month. It is given to us. Fourth, salary of the accountant. Salary of the accountant rupees 200 per month, again given directly 200. Next is insurance of the bus. Now insurance of the bus is given as 4,800 per month, again directly given 4,800. Next is diesel. It is given 4 kilometers per liter. So 4 kilometers in 1 liter, total distance is 8040 kilometers. So how many liters will be required for 8040 kilometers? This gives us the total liters. Into what is the cost per liter? Rupees 6. So that would be 8040 divided by 4 into 6. That is 12,060 rupees. This is the diesel consumption. 7. Road tax. So road tax given to us as 1500 per month. So we'll have to do 1500 into 1 by 12 because we are calculating per month. So that is equal to rupees 125. Next is lubricant oil. Lubricant oil rupees 10 per 100 kilometers. So for 100 kilometers it is rupees 10. So for 8040 kilometers it would be 8040 divided by 100 into 10. That is 804 rupees. Next, permit fee. Permit fee is 315 per month, directly given to us. Next is repairs and maintenance. 1000 per month, directly given. No need to worry here. Depreciation we have already written. So these are the costs which are directly given to us. Above this there is one more cost, that is the passenger tax. So let us write here total cost before passenger tax. That would be 10,000 plus 22, 200, 4,800. That is equal to 34,304. Let me confirm once again. Yes, 34,304. Add passenger tax. This is 20% of takings. Let us say 20% of X. I will call it as the total takings as X. So what I get is the total cost. Right? Then I add profit. Profit is also 20% of, 30%. 30% of X. When I add profit to this, what I get is the sales. If I add profit to this, I would have got sales. Sales, or you can say total takings. Since these are services, we call it as total takings. Now we don't have all these figures, but I will call it as X here. Am I right? So if this is X, this is going to be 0.3x. So can I say the total cost is actually x minus 0.3x, that is equal to 0.7x. Can I say that? This is x. X, how did I get x? Something plus 0.3x. So 0.3x, if I minus from total takings, I'll get 0.7x. 0.7x, how did I get? Something plus 0.2x. So again, if I minus 0.2x here, what I will get here is 0.7x minus 0.2x. That is equal to 0.5x. So can I say that 34,304 is actually 0.5x? If 0.5x is 34,304, then x is going to be 34,304 divided by 0.5. That is equal to 68,608. So my x is 68,608. We can write down the same working here, or you can show it as working note 2 and show it. I will show it here itself. 34,304 divided by 0.5x. That way 0.5. That will give me the value of x, that is 68,608. Those who haven't understood this, this is the total takings after I add total cost and profit. So I will say total takings is equal to total cost plus profit. So if takings is x, profit is 0.3x. Total cost. So my total cost would be x minus 0.3x, that is equal to 0.7x. That is what I've shown here. Similarly, I've got this 0.5x. Now if I have the value of x, I can just put it here into 0.2. That is 68,608 into 0.2. That is equal to 13,721.6. So my total cost here becomes plus 34,304. That is equal to 48,025.6. Again, this is 0.3x. So 68,608 into 0.3. 68,608 into 0.3 would be 20,582.4. If you add these two, you will get this figure. That is our sales. So now we have got our total takings. The total takings is 68,608. And our cost sheet is also complete. Now, what is the question asking us to find out? The question is asking us to find out the total, calculate fare per passenger for the following journeys. Now, if you see here, the total passenger kilometers travelled is 3,72,000 passenger kilometers. That means if one passenger is travelling for 1 kilometer, then what should be the charges? Let us first calculate that. So the next working would be calculation of fare per passenger kilometer. Now, fare per passenger kilometer would be total cost divided by total passenger kilometers. That is equal to 68,608 divided by total passenger kilometers is 3,72,000. That is equal to 0.1844 per passenger kilometer rupees. I always prefer taking up to 4 decimals. Passenger kilometers. This is the fare per passenger kilometer. That means if one passenger is traveling for 1 kilometer, then we should collect this much from the passenger. Now can you tell me, the person who's traveling from Delhi to Chandigarh is traveling for how many kilometers? He's traveling for 150 kilometers. He's traveling for 150 kilometers. So 150 kilometers, one passenger traveling for 1 kilometer, this much. One passenger traveling for 150 kilometers, 150 into 0.1844. That is equal to rupees 27.67. Next, person traveling from Delhi to Agra. He's traveling for 120 kilometers into 0.1844. That is equal to 22.13 rupees 22.13. Person traveling from Delhi to Jaipur. He'll be traveling for 270 kilometers into the rate is 0.1844. That is equal to 49.79 rupees 49.79 per passenger. So this is the fare that we are going to collect. Ma'am, why did you write here 150 kilometers? This was just one way, right? You should have taken 2 ways. Beta, जो जा रहा है वो वापस थोड़ी आएगा. One person is making only one way trip, right? So one person, if I am sitting from Delhi, I will get down at Chandigarh. I will not again get into the bus from Chandigarh and come back to Delhi. I will be traveling from Delhi to Chandigarh. Now, if I'm traveling from Delhi to Chandigarh, that means I've traveled for 150 kilometers. For 1 kilometer, I should pay 0.1844. So, for 150 kilometers, how much should I pay? I should pay 150 into 0.1844. So, this is the fare that we have to take from the passengers for the trip. I hope the explanation was followed. Now, this is this is the answer for the question. Next question I will take on hotel or a hospital. Thank you so much.